Have you ever signed up for a service with all the best intentions, only to realize later it's not quite the right fit? Maybe you joined a gym with the dream of becoming a fitness guru, but life got hectic, and the treadmills became glorified coat racks. Perhaps you subscribed to a meal kit delivery service, picturing yourself whipping up gourmet dishes, but reality settled in with a side of takeout menus. This happens. We're bombarded with so many options these days, and sometimes, trying something new is part of the journey. But what happens when that something new involves your finances? Let's talk about Rocket Money, a popular service that helps manage unwanted subscriptions. It sounds like a lifesaver, right? But what if you sign up for Rocket Money itself, and, plot twist, it doesn't work out for you? Does Rocket Money refund you? That's the million-dollar question. Well, maybe not quite a million, but definitely a question worth asking. We'll dive deep into Rocket Money's refund policy, explore your options, and offer some tips to navigate this situation smoothly. Before we blast off into refund territory, let's get a quick rundown on what Rocket Money actually does. They essentially act as your subscription watchdog. You connect your financial accounts to Rocket Money, and they scan for recurring charges. Found a subscription you forgot about? Rocket Money can help you cancel it with a few clicks. You can also use their app to track expenses and categorize your spending, giving you a clearer picture of where your hard-earned cash goes. Sounds pretty handy, right? But again, what if you sign up for Rocket Money and decide it's not your cup of tea? Here's the good news: Rocket Money does offer refunds. Here's the not-so-bad news: there are some conditions. First, the time frame. Rocket Money offers a 7-day money-back guarantee. That means you have 1 week from the date you sign up to request a full refund. No questions asked. Well, maybe a few to understand why you're leaving. If that 7-day window closes, things get a bit trickier. Rocket Money doesn't offer automatic refunds after the initial week. However, that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. You can still contact their customer support team **** and explain your situation. They might consider issuing a partial refund based on the specific circumstances. This could be if you encountered technical difficulties with the service, experienced billing issues, or simply had a legitimate reason for wanting to cancel. Here's the key takeaway: communication is crucial. Be clear, polite, and explain why you're requesting a refund. The customer support team at Rocket Money is there to help, and if your reason for wanting out is valid, they might just work with you. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Read the fine print. Before signing up for any service, including Rocket Money, take a few minutes to understand their terms and conditions, specifically their refund policy. Consider a free trial. If Rocket Money offers a free trial period, take advantage of it. This gives you a chance to test the service and see if it's a good fit before committing your hard-earned cash. Set calendar reminders. Sometimes, life gets busy, and those free trial periods can sneak up on us. Set a calendar reminder to cancel before you get charged if you decide Rocket Money isn't for you. Remember, a 7-day refund window might seem short, but it's a good reminder to be mindful of any new services you sign up for. Take some time to explore, ask questions, and make sure it truly aligns with your needs before diving in. So, there you have it. The answer to the burning question, does Rocket Money refund you? Is yes, with some conditions. Hopefully, this video has equipped you with the knowledge you need to navigate Rocket Money's refund policy and save yourself some financial headaches. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.